Good morning, Lee Sundin, Foursquare Home Inspection. We're looking today at a house with a well, and we can see the pressure tank and the switch and the gauge and the wellhead is actually right next to us here in the basement. The problem that we're seeing here, if you look and listen, you see the pressure gauge going up and down very quickly. And this is what's called short cycling of the well system. And the problem is that this tank is supposed to be filled with a bunch of air. It comes from the tank factory actually full of air, and the pressure from the pump on the well puts water into the bottom of the tank and it squeezes the air up, so it acts as somewhat of a reservoir of air, like a water tank for a whole community might work like. But what happens with time sometimes is that air charge inside gets lost. Either it leaks through the bladder, seeping out somewhere, or there's a little valve at the top where it possibly can leak out there as well. So this tank is pretty much completely full of water, and there's maybe just a little bit of air there, and it's going up and down just a little bit. And the whole intent of this system is to make the well pump last longer. A well pump will run continuously for a long time, but the thing that reduces a well pump's life especially is starting and stopping. So here we can say that, hey, we're just running a little bit of water at the kitchen sink, and this is starting and stopping a couple times a minute. And that start and stop, and there's only so many thousands of those that well pump is actually able to handle. So the intent is that once it starts, fills the whole tank with water, and then you got maybe 20 gallons worth of water after it stops before it has to start up again. Here we're probably only working with half a gallon worth of on-off, and this is greatly going to reduce the life of that well pump. So my recommendation is for a well service technician to come in and check this thing out, and it may be that all he'll have to do is add some air into the valve at the top there and increase the amount of air cushion that's taking place in there. But it's possible that the pressure tank may have to be replaced. So those are the things that we're certainly looking for on any home inspection. Lee Sundin, Foursquare Home Inspection. Have a great day.